Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the very first chapter of biology, that is the fundamental unit of life. Before we start this chapter, let me introduce the term cell biology. What is cell biology? Cell biology is also called cytology. Study of cells in all aspects of structure and functions. In other words, we can say the study of cell is called cytology or cell biology. The very first topic in this chapter is cell as a basic unit of life. Cell as a basic unit of life and cell theory and cell theory. Why cell is considered as a basic unit of life? Cell is the fundamental structural unit of life, unit of living organisms and basic unit of life. Cell was actually discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. A cell is able to live. Cell is able to live and perform all its functions due to the presence of some organelle found inside the cell. These organelles constitute the basic unit called cell. यही organelles actually constitute करते हैं एक बेसिक यूनिट. उस बेसिक यूनिट का नाम दिया गया है सेल. The cell is the structural unit of life. Therefore, cells are functional unit as well as fundamental unit and basic unit of life. Who proposed the cell theory? What is cell theory? The cell theory was proposed by two biologists, namely Sheldon and Schwann. Sheldon and Schwann. According to them, the cell is the structural and function of life. Structural and functional unit of life. In 1855, Rudolf Virchow says that cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. He modified the cell theory by adding the following points. उसने सेल थ्योरी को मॉडिफाई किया. उसने कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐड किए. नंबर 1, as per Rudolf Virchow, number first point is bodies of the living beings are made up of cells and their products. ये पहला पॉइंट इसने डिस्कस किया. तमाम बॉडी जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स की है या लिविंग बींग्स की है, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. दूसरा पॉइंट डिस्कस किया उसने, ऑल सेल्स आर basically alike in structure and metabolic activities. थर्ड एंड लास्ट पॉइंट क्या उसने डिस्कस किया, सेल्स डेवलप फ्रॉम pre-existing cells. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.